Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. It's the big one. Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates. The much anticipated Soweto derby. The stakes couldn't get any higher. This is a very, very huge game. I personally hate losing against Orlando Pirates. I hate it, mate. I hate it. I hope these players have the same mentality. This game is all about pride, passion, but for the first time in how many years? Over 5 years. We head into this fixture with both teams being well within charge of the league title. So it's going to be an interesting one. The stakes have gone a bit higher. There's nothing I'd love more than to beat Orlando Pirates, close the gap on Mamelodi Sundowns, and maybe kill their title hopes. I think if Orlando Pirates sleeps against us, they are definitely going to lose the title. Sundowns, if they beat Kukuna, they go 41 points, 3 points gap, and they've played Pirates twice already. So I think if Pirates lose this game, they are out. But what does a win do for us? If we win this game, we go third. Yeah, third with 33 points. We'll be 5 points behind Mamelodi Sundowns, which is, it seems like, 5 points is a lot against Mamelodi Sundowns, but at least we are still going to face them. So let's keep ourselves well within charge. Sundowns are definitely going to drop points. They are not going to win all their remaining games. I personally think we are out of the title race. We blew our chance when we failed to beat Stellenbosch, so I think we are out, but the best we can do is keep ourselves well within reach, so a win for us in this game will put us in a very, very not good position, but an okay position, so let's go out there and win this game. It's not going to be easy. Of course, Pirates are a very, very good team. They've lost their last two games against Sundowns and Keswick Stars, so they'll be guns blazing. They want to redeem themselves. They have some very, very good players. So it's not going to be an easy game. I'm obviously not expecting us to sit back, on a low block. I don't want to see that. I don't care if they have Mfukeng, they have police, they have who, they have what. I don't care. Yeah, I'm not expecting us to go out there and play like cowards, of which I think these coaches are going to approach the game like that. I think we're going to sit back. I'm obviously not expecting us to play a high line, because they have Siema who can play the ball in behind. He has a very, very good passing range, so you don't want to leave too much space in behind. With our police, Moremi, they are very, very dangerous on the break. So you'll have to, don't leave too much space between your goalkeeper and your last line of defense. But let's not sit back. Let's take the fight to them. Let's fight. That's the best we can do. In this case, in the middle of the park, they are not that dangerous with Makaula and Namtajela. Mufukeng may play as a 10, and I think if he plays as a 10, that's why he's going to be least dangerous, because Makaula and Namtajela are not very, very good at progressing the ball. So I think if those two start there, we can dominate the midfield. I think we can dominate the midfield with Maboe, and we'll charge on the predicted starting 11 in a minute. So I think if they play Makaula and Masindi Namtajela, we have a chance to dominate that midfield. Wide, they are very, very dangerous with Police, Moremi, who's this guy? Mfukeng can play there. They've got many, many players. So it's going to be a tough task. And then I look at our side. I'm yet to see our strengths. I don't know how we are going to head Orlando Pirates. I just don't know. Yeah, I'm just being hopeful here. I believe, because this is a Soweto derby, anything can happen. In a derby, form doesn't matter, so I think we do stand a chance to do something on this game. Let's go to the team news. Rushin Totli, George Matlo, and Echosa Ikotaro have been ruled out from this game. Then Bongiseni Mchechwa, Inacio Miguel, will face a late fitness test. So this is the predicted starting 11 I've gone with. In goals, of course, Brendan Peterson. On the right, this I demand to see this starting 11. Yeah, I demand to see this starting 11. Peterson in goals, Munyane on the right, Solomons. I think Munyane is more disciplined than Dylan Solomon. So we go with Munyane on the left. It has to be Bradley Cross. It has to be Bradley Cross. Yes, maybe there are concerns over match fitness, but Paseka Mako has leaked 3 goals in the last 2 games. So I'm not trusting him on this one. Aiden McCarthy, also not sure. I don't think he's the right choice for this one. So I'm going with Bradley Cross. He was very, very good before he got injured. Centre backs, of course, Richard Kwinika goes back. And then I think we'll have to take a risk and play Inaso Miguel. I think we have to take a risk, and play him there. I definitely don't trust Aiden McCarthy as the centre back, maybe as a left back, yeah, as the centre back in a Soweto derby. No, I think that's a no. So Miguel, I always criticize this guy, for yellow cards, stupid fouls, and all that. But since he got injured, no one has stepped up, and claimed this position. So I think he should go back there. For the fact that he's going to face, a late fitness test, it does say he is good to go, but maybe not, sharp and all that. But I think we should definitely take a risk, given Simango has been playing with pain in the last 3 or so games. So we don't have much options there. So let's go back with Inaso Miguel. In the middle of the park, Lewang Mabue, of course. Spacey Ndlovu has to start. I don't know where he was against Stellenbosch, but he has to start this one. These pair they've been playing very, very well. They've been reliable. I might trust them on this one. As the number 10, Tutusi Shabalala, he needs to get back to the starting 11. This is a game whereby we'll have to set up in a transition, and Tutusi Shabalala is very, very good in terms of clearing the ball and attacking the space. So I think this game, this is his game. That's why he's most dangerous when you are playing on transition. So he needs to go back there. He has not started in the last 2 or 3 games. Understandably so, his form has dropped in recent games, but I feel for this one we definitely have to start him and hope for the best. And then White on the right. As much as I hate to say this, as much as this guy, frustrates the shit out of me, Claude Lilepo, he'll start there. He has a goal in him, but sometimes he's trash. He's trash. He wants to shoot from everywhere. Poor decision making, always sitting on the line. But I also look at the bench. Do I trust Mfundo Vilakazi to start this game, a game of this magnitude? I'm not sure. So I must start Claude Lilepo. As I've said, he has a goal in him. So yeah. And then on the left, Pule Modi. I don't know what's happening with Asanele Velebay. I don't know why he's not been playing. He has not been playing enough this year. I don't know what's going on. If maybe he's not doing well in training or so, but Pule Modi, fair play to him. Defensively, he's good. He helps out defensively, and this is a game whereby we'll have to do a lot of defensive work. So he's definitely going to contribute, but going forward I don't think he does enough, but yeah, extra number defensively. So yeah, and then up front, of course, Flavio Silva, 3 in his last 3. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that's the starting 11, and I'm expecting to see a really strong bench. Ethan Chislet, Gaston Sereno, Velebai, Mfundo Vilakazi. I think those players can come in and make a difference, but our approach I don't know, mate. I don't even know what Orlando Pirates' weaknesses are. Like, I honestly don't know how we can hit Orlando Pirates, but as I've mentioned, it's a Soweto derby. I've seen worst Kaizer Chiefs teams coming into this fixture and getting a result, so I believe we're going to get a result. I am confident. I don't know where all this confidence is coming from, but I am confident. Yeah, and I'm going to go with a 2-1 Kaizer Chiefs win. 2-1 Kaizer Chiefs win. You heard it here first. Smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.